Want to know, at a glance, if your business is actually making money? The Profit and Loss Report in FreshBooks is your ultimate financial health checkup. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This report summarizes your revenues, costs, and expenses over a specific period, giving you the clearest picture of your profitability. To run it, go to the Reports section in FreshBooks. You'll see a list of standard reports. Profit and loss is usually right at the top. Click on it. You can then customize the date range, like this month, last quarter, or year to date, and click Run Report. FreshBooks will instantly generate a clean, easy-to-read summary of your income and expenses. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: run this report monthly. Don't wait until tax season. A monthly review of your P&L helps you spot trends, catch overspending early, and make informed decisions to steer your business toward greater profit. So, just like that, you've unlocked the single most important report for understanding your business's financial performance. How often do you currently check in on your business's profitability? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.